Welcome to the second episode of Japanese Christmas dinner ideas. Today I'm introducing potato miso gratin. For more Japanese food recipes, follow me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. Let's dive into it. I have a 1 yellow onion, peel the skin and thinly slice it. 4 mushroom cut in half, flat side down, and again thinly slice them. By slicing thinly will make the sauce creamy. I opt for creamy mushroom, but any mushroom will do. As always, exact measurement is on my blog. I link that on description box below. For potato, I choose May Queen potato, which will hold the structure well when it's cooked. Each country has a different name on this type of potato, so if you can share what it's called in your country, it would help everyone a lot. Peel the skin of potato, remove the eye by using edge of the knife, slice it into half-inch thickness. You can see some skins are still left, but I don't care that much. Soak them into the water to remove the excess starch. Transfer onto the microwave-safe container at 600 watt for 3 minutes. I have block of bacon sliced into 1/4 inch thickness. I want to leave the bacon as a chunk for the texture. If you are plant-based, you can always leave the bacon out and add more mushrooms and onion. Or pumpkin and carrot would be a great substitution. Just make sure to add more salt to adjust the taste. It's similar to my vegan creamy miso pasta recipe. Again, the link can be found on the description box below. On a mid-heat to a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee if you prefer. Then add onion, mushroom, and bacon all in once. Just keep cooking away over mid-heat for 8 minutes. Get your pan moving to prevent from burning. I didn't add salt at this point because the bacon releases enough salt. We always want to adjust the taste at the end to make sure it's not too salty or too bland. But if you decide to make without bacon, you want to season with the salt at the very first stage to draw out the moisture from the veggies. As it's cooked away, onion and mushroom release its moisture. When the onion becomes lightly brown, add 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Once the flour had a chance to cook for about 1 minute, it's time to add soy milk into the pan. First, add 1/4 cup of milk and stir this mixture constantly until it starts to become this pasty consistency. And repeat the same process for twice. By mixing soy milk little by little, you can let the sauce to be well combined and creamy as a result. At this point, add the rest of soy milk and thicken up until the sauce becomes really smooth and creamy. Lastly, dissolve 1.5 teaspoons of yellow miso paste. Using the spatula, dissolve it little by little off the heat and adjust the taste with salt and black pepper to your liking. Now it's time to check our potato. Be careful with the stem when you open it. You should be able to stick a fork without any resistance. If you don't have microwave, you can just steam the potato for about 15 to 20 minutes. We are gonna pile up everything into the baking dish. First, layer half of the sauce, then place potato like this. Drop the rest of your sauce on top of the potato. Use a spoon or spatula to spread it flat to the edges. Sprinkle your favorite cheese on top. Preheat the oven at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Pop them into the oven and bake it for 15 minutes or until cheese melts and slightly golden on top. When you take out from the oven, smells amazing. Before you serve, I'd like to sprinkle fresh parsley, then scoop out generous portion on each plate when it's hot. It's not that healthy but truly hearty and decadent, just like we want for the Christmas. Instead of using potato, you can tweak to the short pasta or macaroni. For the next Christmas dinner episode, I'm going to introduce less than 10-minute side dish, so don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. またね。バイバイ。